Evaluating expressions. So they give us values to substitute in. So let's just start these. So A, I have negative x squared plus 3x, and they want us to use x is negative 3. So I'm going to put in a negative 3, substitute that in wherever I see an x. Okay, so the negative sign stays there. Now, negative 3 squared, that's negative 3 times negative 3, that's positive 9. And 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. So I have negative 9, and negative 9 is negative 18. Okay. For B, let's come up here, right? I have 5 minus x minus 2 squared. And they want us to use negative 1 for x. So I'm going to substitute a negative 1 in for x. So that's negative 1 minus 2 is negative 3 squared. Negative 3 squared is 9. So I have 5 minus 9 is negative 4 for B. For C, I have negative 5 over k plus 1. And they want us to use negative 1 for k. So I have negative 5 over negative 1 plus 1, which is negative 5 over 0. Whenever we have a 0 in the denominator, that is undefined in mathematics. So we write undefined. We do not write no solution because we're not solving an equation. And then D, let me do D here, right? We have the absolute value of x over x plus y minus x squared plus y. And then they give us values of 2 and negative 3. So let's substitute these in. So I have 2 over 2 plus y plus negative 3 minus x squared, x is 2, 2 squared, plus y, which is negative 3. Okay, so this gives me the absolute value of 2 over 2 plus negative 3, that's negative 1, minus 2 squared, which is minus 4, minus 3. So this is the absolute value of negative 2 minus 4 minus 3. Absolute value of negative 2 is 2 minus 4 minus 3. 2 minus 4 is negative 2 minus 3, which is negative 5.